Alright, this is my Kawasaki Vulcan S650 2016. I just installed today the new Delkevic Exhaust system, SL10 350 millimeters muffler, and it looks great, as you can see. That's a great exhaust, big muffler. You can see that's a big muffler over here. That's the DB killer inside, and it came with the entire system. That's the muffler, and then the pipes all the way up over there. The installation wasn't hard, but it's tedious, and it has the up and down of a normal installation. So I'll show you that in a video. Now I'm just gonna turn it on. My helper is gonna turn the motorcycle on. Go, helper. And he has his helmet, his protection, and then he's gonna turn it on.